Ed, we've got a question here about scrutinising the precept, and I wonder what your reaction would be to a situation where the police authority chief executive tells the panel that they've got access to the precept details, but they can't have any detailed information about the PCC budget. What would your comments be about a situation like that?
I think it's very difficult to disaggregate the precept from the wider budget that underpins it. You can't really understand the precept without having some wider information about the budget. I think under those kind of circumstances the chief exec would need to be gently reminded that in order to fulfil its responsibilities in supporting the PCC and also in acting as a constructive challenge to the PCC's activities, the panel will need to have that wider information. Otherwise it will be very, very difficult to know how or whether to use its powers, for example its powers of veto around the precept as well. I think the circumstance might arise where a panel that didn't have budget information at its disposal felt that it was so difficult for it to make a judgment on whether the precept was or wasn't adequate or fair or reasonable, that it would feel potentially compelled to use the veto to put a brake on the process to try and get some wider and deeper understanding of the budget, because it wouldn't have the assurance it felt that it needed to be able to sign the precept off in that way. So the risks and the potential implications of not providing the budget information in that way could potentially be quite significant.
Thank you.